Hello everybody, and thanks for checking out my post and taking the time to make your cryptocurrency secure by putting into a cold wallet. So assuming you've read my post, understand the differences between a hot and a cold wallet, but just in case, essentially a hot wallet is connected to the internet, a cold wallet is not, and obviously a piece of paper is not connected to the internet. So the ultimate security for your cryptocurrency is to create a paper wallet, which you can then store in a vault or a safe or dig a hole in the ground, whatever you want to do with that piece of paper. So I'm just going to show you how to create a paper wallet for your Ethereum using myetherwallet.com and for Bitcoin using walletgenerator.net. They're essentially the same process, just a little different. The reason I'm making a video is because the way it's currently outlined on both of these sites, they recommend that you download and install the website, run it locally, and do it from there. But for most people, that still is a little bit above their head. So I wanted to actually do that for you, because creating a wallet directly on myetherwallet.com or walletgenerator.net without installing it locally is actually not providing you the protection you need, because there could be malicious scripts running on a server. So ideally you would also do this on a brand new computer that you had just unwrapped, but that's not realistic for a lot of reasons. But if you're able to go buy a new computer and then do this, that's the ultimate security. But we'll assume that your computer for now is safe, but the minimum you have to do is run it locally. So let's start with how to create an Ethereum paper wallet. So we're going to go to myetherwallet.com. And again, it's not incredibly intuitive, so again, why I decided to make a video. So instead of just starting here, go over to the Help menu, click Help. It will open the knowledge base. And scroll down to Offline and click How to Run My Ether Wallet Offline and Locally. I'll open this page. It's going to link you to a GitHub address. GitHub is a essentially source code sharing service. So click on that link. And then you can skip the first one and jump to the second one here where it just says Ether Wallet version. Right now it's 3.10.9.8. It might be different for you when you do this. So you're going to go ahead and click that to download that zip file. And here it goes. So I'm on a Mac here. Clearly, you can do this slightly differently if you're on a PC. So there's your zip file. Go ahead and I'm going to move that to my desktop. And I'm going to double click it to unzip it. And then here is a folder. Okay, we're going to open this folder. And this is essentially the source code of the My Ether Wallet website, but on your computer, not on a server online. The reason this is important, again, is because there is likely not malicious code running on your computer looking for this website to be generating a wallet, but there could be that on the server that you're accessing directly at myetherwallet.com. So here's what we do now that we have the folder downloaded and opened. We double click on index.html. And you're going to see it basically opens a replica of the actual myetherwallet.com, and they have this new disclaimer thing, which I will get rid of. So here we have the live myetherwallet.com up here. You can see it looks like this. And then here we have the one that is running locally on your desktop. And so it looks the same, but it's running locally. Okay. All right, so the next step is the same as if you did it online, but this is an important step. You need to choose a password for your wallet. It should be something that is secure and preferably has an uppercase letter, a symbol, and numbers in it. So I'm just going to type my own password here. Okay, and I'm going to click Create New Wallet. It will come to this page and says download your KeyStore file. Click that. There's your file. And downloads, I'm also going to move that to the desktop. Okay, so now if you go to your desktop where you just stored this KeyStore file that you downloaded, let's create a new folder here and just call it My New Paper Wallet. Okay, and drag that KeyStore in there. Okay. It tells you here, do not lose it, do not share it, and make a backup. So we can cover backup at the end of the video here. Click I understand, continue. This is your private key. Obviously, since I'm doing this in a public video, I would never use this wallet. But this is a private key that is essentially the piece of data that we're all trying to protect is this number right here. So you click Print Paper Wallet. Here's your wallet with your address. Oops, let's print it first. Okay, with Mac, we open PDF and Preview, and then we go File, Save. Oops. And I'm going to go to Desktop. I'm going to save this in my new paper wallet, and I can call it something like my new wallet. Save. Okay, so now this PDF, which is essentially what you can print, of course, is your new paper private wallet. This is the security that you're looking for. We have our public address here, which is what you would give somebody if you wanted them to send you money to this wallet. And then we have your private key here, which is what you would use if you wanted to exchange money out of this wallet. So essentially what you're going to do is send money from your Ethereum wallet that's online on a exchange like Coinbase or Bitfinex or any other online exchange. You're going to send your Bitcoin to this address here. Yeah, there we go. And that will effectively fund this wallet. But this private key resides only on your computer now. It does not reside anywhere on a server where it could be stolen. Okay, so that is your Ether wallet, basically. And then we can just go back to the desktop here and see my new paper wallet. Here it is. Doesn't have any money in it, of course, because we haven't sent any to it. I won't cover sending money to a wallet in this video, because that's well covered, and you probably already have sent and received digital currency, or if you haven't, it's not so hard to understand. So basically, we're gonna send money to this wallet number. Now, you can print this. You can also store it digitally in an encrypted way, still safer than having it on a public exchange. I like to use LastPass for this type of thing. Essentially, they handle all of your passwords, but they also handle encryption of digital records. So if you wanted to upload this PDF as a digital record, it can be encrypted and stored for you and locked behind this password protected service LastPass, so that you can still access it and you don't feel like you literally have a piece of paper in a safe and that's it. Obviously, having it anywhere other than just on that piece of paper offers some exposure to you, but it's still safer than having it on a exchange where there might be malicious bad actors who are going to try and steal all those wallets at once. So just wanted to throw that out. LastPass type of thing. AWS, Amazon Web Services, also offers encryption. There's other services like that. Okay, so just to keep this video moving along here, wallet generator is essentially the same process. You can do this here, but again, it's not secure because it's running on a server. So they also have a link here, and these green dots are just an effect they have. You can click this GitHub link. It will actually just directly downloads the wallet. Same thing as before with the Ether wallet. Downloads. Let's move this to my desktop. And here it is over here, wallet generator. Unzip it. There's the folder that it created. Just open that up. Same as before, we just click the index file, and here we go. We got the same website, except you can see now it's loading locally, not from the actual domain. So that's the important distinction here. Okay. Now the way this site works is a little different. They actually use a mouse location script to generate some random numbers. So you can see the green dots, you can draw figure eights, you can do whatever you want until this orange bar over here gets to the end. So I'm just literally moving my finger around. There. And there you are. That is your wallet. It couldn't be a lot easier than that. Here's your public address. Here's your private key. Same as before. This is what you share with people to have them send you Bitcoin. And this is the secret key that you need to keep secret. And here you can click print. I'm on Mac, so open PDF and preview. There it is. File, save. And I'll do my new Bitcoin wallet. And I can name it here, wallet 1. And there it is. So now you have a wallet that you can send money to, and you can print it out and store it. Okay, so there's other ways to make this a little fancier by putting your private key and having it put onto this designed foldable card. But honestly, it doesn't really matter. This is just a design. It's a way for you to have your wallet look differently. Essentially, it's still just the information that we were just looking at. So I hope that helps clear up sort of the ease of creating a paper wallet. Again, the next steps would just be to send a test amount just to test it for yourself, or a full amount from your exchange wallet to your new wallet. And then you at least will know that if there is malicious activity on one of these exchanges, your funds are not sitting up there on the server.